Okay, I guess my screen is visible now. Let me
Yes, it is
share.
visible. No. You can continue.
Yeah, I will just navigate through question 3. This is set up and configure a cloud environment in Google Cloud. Okay, fine. Uh, let me explain you about this first lab in third quest. Yeah, the lab's overview is Google Cloud's identity and access management. Actually, you are given with two identities, like one parent, you know in programming like parent class and child class, which derive the properties from parent class. So in the same manner, there will be two accounts linked to each other, where the parent account gives permissions to the tailing account. See, you can find two usernames over here, which are created by Google itself. While accessing the lab, we will get two usernames. That means two accounts we will get and with same password. Okay. So our task is here to study the relationship between the two accounts, which we can calculate which we can calculate by assigning roles to them. So parent class can access roles to the child class. Okay, that will be supervised from navigation menu IAM admin. Okay, uh, let us call our parent class as admin and our child class as child class itself. Okay, whatever the convenient way you have. So in our admin class, in our admin, yeah, in our admin, excuse me, excuse me, guys, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, sorry, it's a bit of personal problem. Okay, fine. So in the admin account, we can find these roles. You have already studied about the roles. These roles are viewer roles, editor roles, owner roles, all the roles that you have studied in our quest one. I guess you are familiar with these roles. But what about assigning them to another account, which is a child account? Okay. So for example, let me explain you about the viewer role. See, in this viewer role, if we assign the second account with viewer role, we are only allowing the permissions to read only. We are not giving permissions to access data and edit the data. Okay. So there are three such cases: viewer, editor, and owner. Okay. You can find this by studying easily. Okay. You can find it by name also. See, we will be creating an experiment using a bucket. See, bucket is a storage type. Bucket is a storage type. Let us say an integer data type of C programming. Okay, but it is not. It does not belong to two bytes. Okay, it is a. We can store at least 100 accounts of our Google Drive in a single bucket. Uh, okay, that you will come to know while doing the lab itself. Okay, so we will create a bucket over here, and we will assign the editor roles. So this lab will navigate you to assign the roles, which is this lab uses to editor role. Okay, so we will study the properties in the lab itself. So this is the main intention of the lab, and you will go in deep by following the other labs in the same quest. Okay, that's what I want to say. uh another Okay, let me stop sharing the screen. Yeah, another announcement to be made today as uh, yeah, some people are following YouTube to complete their labs. No, it's such a pitiful condition, guys. Please don't follow YouTube. Why YouTube? You have to study. The main intention of this course is not to get goodies, it's to get knowledge. Knowledge is what we prioritize over here. Okay, don't think for goodies and don't think okay, we have to complete this course, so we have to do it. I will complete this one quest in one day. Don't think like that. You have to learn. I know when I'm in third year, I have plenty of time. If any course comes in, I will just Google. I will just Google it and I will just answer the quiz and I will just complete the course itself. So now I realize its value in fourth year. So please don't do that. If you got any certificate, you should be accounted for it. Okay. If you are seeing YouTube and you are answering the questions means, then there is no reason of mentioning your certificate in resume. If they ask any questions, you just flatter yourself. Okay, fine. That's what I want to say. Uh, Next thing, if you have any doubts in second quest and first quest, people, I think most of the one, not most of the one. How many people are there over here? 20 attendees. Yeah. In last lab, I guess 45 attendees. Now 20 attendees. Very good. In first lab itself, we started with 200 attendees. Now we are in a stage of 20 attendees. Very good. Applaud to ourselves. So what I want to say is keep your at least these 20 people, keep your interest on and complete the quests on and before 14th. 14th is the date. 14th of October is the deadline of quest. Sorry, task one. I mean path one. Okay, fine. You know what is path one? Path one. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Sai Kiran, is there any other topic that we want to cover? I'm actually due to less traffic over here. I mean, 21 attendees. No one got added into us. Okay, with this traffic,
Yes,
I'm
and one thing I want to add, like we have created the groups to discuss, like if you have the same error, like anyone, another person like having the same error can solve his problem. But personal message, it is not a good thing. So like please change. Like we are not saying like you can do personal message for us, like, but it is not the right thing. We have created a group, right? So so don't feel shy. Please share your doubts in the group itself. And please, like we have created the batch group for yourselves, but you are not sharing the progress daily in that group. Like you can say like I have completed this quest today, I have completed these topics today, or you can post. So why we are not doing, like we are unable to many efforts for this program.
Kiran, if people are doing those labs, then they will post. Okay, if they are not doing, how will they post?
Yes, that's what I think.
Take it seriously. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to address you people because of the remaining people. How come this possible? We expected at least 50 people to in today's meeting. Yeah, that's fine. Anyway, the recording of this video is available. I think up to
And,
7 days.
and coming to the credits part, like nothing is there in our hands. Like we have done 100%, we have given 100% from ourselves. Like we have contacted Google regarding the credits. Like it is there, like what you have done. It is we didn't know anything about like what you have, how you fill the form, like how you did the two lab. We didn't know anything, but we have like satisfied like the 100%. Like whoever persons came to us, like we have satisfied them. So we have given the credentials to Google and they have searched, like but a lack of credits, like we couldn't do anything about that. Okay, we will try to get your credits. Like we didn't there is no access to directly add the credits to your account, so it's in your hands to get the credits.
Actually, Sai Kiran, most of them got their credits. I bet more than 60 people got their credits. Okay. In our batch itself, there are 18 people, and all the 18 people got their credits.
Yes, even though people are getting this, but even though they were not doing the labs,
They have stopped where they got credits. They have done until they got credits at his first lab, and they have stopped there. One guy came to me asking that, brother, what is the final date before which we have to complete task one? He asked me that whether I can finish it in final date or not. On 14th, he wanted to finish all the 6 quests. Yeah, I told him that, brother, please don't do this. One quest consists of 6 labs nearly, and each lab is not like your first lab. It will be very difficult for you in future quests, so you have to practice it. Wait a minute. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, So you have to practice it. You have to read it, and you have to attempt the test in future labs. I have told him like that. Then he's saying that, brother, I got plenty of works. I can't do it. He told me like that. If you can't do it, it is not possible for you to complete in the last dates because this busy nature of you will interrupt you in the last date too. I have told him like that. So people are
See,
like that. They want
we
to
were
complete
very
it on the last date itself. Why waiting for a last date? Okay, Saikiran.
Yeah, we were very fortunate to have this program in our college. See, only colleges which have DSS only like they were eligible for this program, but other persons like other colleges have not access to this program. So like when we have circulated the form, like students from other colleges have also registered in the form. Like we have got up to 500 responses, but today the attendees were only 20. What is happening like? You guys are like having lack of interest, like nothing. We were telling you like it will help you, it will help you, it will surely help you, like in your photos, like you can keep it in your resume, it will be very valuable for you, but you are neglecting.
Yeah. One more thing that I wanted to say is there are two factors I can actually. One is lack of interest, and one is a lack of understanding. Lack of understanding between the batchmates itself. See, I fought hardly among our batchmates, like bringing some people together and bringing interest in them. I asked them to volunteer people who are in backlog to them. Asked them to take them to their position, and then I asked to continue. See, if you want, you people, I guess, who are joined in this meeting are continuously doing the labs. I'm proud of you now. So I want you to guide your batchmates. I want you also to motivate them, not only us. You should have to motivate them too, because they are your parallels, they are your friends. Okay, so motivate them and help them. You have to help them, like us. कुछ लेना देना नहीं है क्या भाई?
Yeah, we were proud to have you like from the 200 participants, like from the 500 participants, like you were the genuine candidate. So that's the reason you have attended the meeting today. So like what we are not criticizing you. Like we are telling you, please motivate your batchmates also, so they can also get benefited. Some of them like due to lack of credits, or some of them due to lack of interest. Like you can also motivate them. You can tell the importance, like how it is helpful and how we are fortunate to have this in our college. You can utilize this opportunity, right?
Yeah, obviously. See, I wanted to deliver a maximum content about Quest 3. I want to deliver all about the 6 labs in Quest 3. Yeah, but due to this population, I couldn't say. It is huge, na? That's why. Okay, fine. 10 minutes of my speech may get you a headache. So I will hand over the session to Sai Kiran. Sai Kiran, you can just address them if you want, or you can just wind up the session.
Yeah. Okay. Like the attendees, like we have 22 attendees here, right? So can you please share your public profile URL? So can we can examine like whether how many questions have you completed, so we can track that off. Please post.
Did Santosh got those credentials, Sai Kiran?
No, nothing. Like Google they were not thinking to give us the Excel sheet because it's lots of data. So that's the reason like they have not given the data to us. So like please all the members, like please post your public profile URL in the chat box so we can verify. And take it like a competition, right? See, like we were also students like you. We were also doing the quest. We were taking taking it as a challenge. Like we were doing every quest daily. So if another person like does 2 quests, so I am very fortunate. Like he has done 2 quests, so I also need to complete 2 quests. So take it like as a competition. So you can.
Yeah, take it as a competition. Yeah, see, in our batch itself, the people of DSC itself contains second year, third year, fourth year, and comprising of 3 departments: ECE, CSE, and IT. See, we are from vast background, but we are helping each other without any hesitation. Don't hesitate to help or to take help. If I got any doubt, I would contact Sai Kiran without any hesitation. Today itself, I have asked a question. I have asked him a question. Right, Sai Kiran? He's from third year and I am from fourth year.
Yeah.
Please don't hesitate like that. Asking a senior whether he will say anything to me, or I'm helping a senior. Too much of I'm too much of energy. Don't think like that. You are a student and your parallel is a student. Think like that.
See, Rakesh has completed like one quest. Congratulations, Rakesh. On Bhargav Naidu. Okay, Bhargav Naidu, I think he need to complete at least one quest.
I guess it would be a better idea for us to share a Google form with them, asking these what we call profile, public profile URL, right?
Yeah, I think it is good. Like we can do that. So okay, we can wrap up the meeting. So if anyone has doubts, like please be in the meeting, or else you can leave the meeting. Thank you for attending. Thank you.
If anyone don't know how to see your public profile URL, please tell us now itself. All of you know, right, how to check your public profile URL? I mean, how to share it.
Or even if you have any doubts, like even if you have doubts in any quest or any topic, any lab, so you can,
Yeah, you can just ask
give
us.
you the permission and please share your screen and we will assist you.
We have completed up to 5 questions. So I guess no doubts. I mean, people are leaving. That's why.
Sir, I don't know how to see the profile.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let me share. Let me show you how to share your public profile URL. I will share you my screen. Yeah, I guess it's visible.
Yes, it is visible.
All of you have this link, right? 30 days of Google Cloud. Just bookmark it aside. Okay, go to any of these quests. You can just navigate from anywhere to here. Okay, go to this profile icon of yours and select my account. You will just go to your account. From there, my learning. Here you can find view public profile. Okay, click on it. And then you can find your badges and your quests completed from here. This is the shareable link which you will get from the public profile URL. So copy it and paste it in the chat box. Okay. Let me stop my sharing. Okay, now quickly share your public profile URLs. Just for a reference, we will not ask you anything. We just motivate you or we'll leave you. That's on you. Okay, people who joined lately, they can just go through the recording of this meeting. We are recording this meeting, so you will find a brief understanding of quest 3. Okay, just briefly. I didn't go in depth. Okay, so after sharing their public profile URL, they can leave.
Hello, Ane.
Yeah, please tell me.
నాకు చిన్న డౌట్ ఉంది సార్. అంటే నేను ఛాలెంజింగ్ ల్యాబ్ లో ఉన్నాను ఫస్ట్ క్వెస్ట్ లో.
ఫస్ట్ క్వెస్ట్ ఛాలెంజింగ్ ల్యాబ్.
టాస్క్ 1 కంప్లీట్ చేసి టాస్క్ 2 కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేసి టాస్క్ 3 కి వెళ్ళాను సార్. అక్కడ ఇన్స్టాన్సెస్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఎస్ఆర్ ను అడిగింది క్లౌడ్ షెల్ లో. అడిగిన తర్వాత ఫైర్ వాల్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం, మొత్తం అక్కడ అడిగినవన్నీ చేసామని. కానీ లాస్ట్ లో గెట్ మై ప్రోగ్రెస్ అదే చెక్ మై ప్రోగ్రెస్ కొడుతుంటే అవ్వట్లేదని అది.
To create both front end and back end services in your project, I mean in your lab, it will take at least 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, you'll just have to wait patiently for 2 to 3 minutes, then it will give you a green tick mark. Okay,
అంటే యాక్చువల్ గా నిన్న చేశాను నేను అది.
you have mentioned me like yes or no question. I have get yes or no question, and did you mention yes or no?
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ ఆర్ నో
You have
అంటే
mentioned yes.
ఇన్స్టాన్సెస్
Why
క్రియేట్
are it?
చేసేటప్పుడు. హలో,
In command in cloud shell, that's what you are saying, right?
ఎస్ సార్.
Zone selection, I think. Okay. The default zone will be southeast 1, I think, but we have to change the zone to US East 1.
US East 1B.
So you have to type no, then it will ask you for a numerical input where it will where it will give you a list of all the zones available. There you have to select. So from next time, do it. Okay, click type no, I mean N, type N and hit enter and select the required zone according to your credentials. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
other doubts? See, if you face such problem, don't wait until we ask your batch. There will be admins of your batch who are from our batch itself, I mean DSC batch.
Actually
I
గా
guess
కౌశిక్
yeah. Which
కౌశిక్
batch
అని
will
మా
you belong?
బ్యాచ్ 3 అని.
Kaushik is a little busy, so you can just post it with a screenshot in your batch. Anyone who have done the challenge, they may respond to your doubt. If you don't mingle with your batchmates, the same thing will happen. You will lose your credits. Okay, keep in touch with them, keep in touch with your batchmates, keep in touch with your admin of batch. Yeah, you can just complete all the tasks in time. Yeah, please. Anything else? Okay, I remember you, Nitin. Yeah, you are a dedicated person. Okay, keep it up.
Thank you.
Do anyone have these and similar doubts or different doubts? You can ask me. Okay, if you are not interested in asking me, then post it with a screenshot in your chat. I mean group chat. A separate batch is ready for you, right? Okay. After sharing the public profile URL in this chat box, if you have no doubts, then you can just leave the meeting and save your own time.